The diagram. Will you give me this? What this question is? There is a circle. Okay. Question number. What the question number is? Question number two. Question number two. Part two. ठीक है. Wait. This is circle, and this is diameter. What is written there? CA. This is B C D E. A B C D. Okay. So AC is diameter. Is it? AC is, है ना? AC. AC is diameter. AC is diameter, right? This O is center. O is center, and there is, this is B. This is B. This is C. We have. Then we have D here. There is D, and we have E here. Here is E. Is it like this? Here, right? It is like this, and it is saying this angle is of 20 degree. This angle is of 20 degree. Fine. And from an angle here, this angle is 80 degree. And this is 90. Yeah, you draw the diagram. It is already given you here. This is 90 degree. Hmm. Not 90. Huh? It's not like that. Okay, fine. Give it to me. Go ahead. Leave that. No need, man. CD is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to BE. CD is parallel to BE. मतलब ये दोनों एक दूसरे के parallel है, right? When they are parallel, then what happens? This angle will be of 20 degrees, so this angle will be of CD. As CD is parallel to BE, then okay, they are parallel. So this point is not given. Suppose this point is F, है ना? So this is a quadrilateral. So this is diagonal. sorry, these lines are parallel, so therefore CD is parallel to EF, or angle FCE is equal to FCE is equal to DEC. Then angle DEC is equal to 20 degree. That is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. ठीक है? This is of 20 degree. Fine. Now what we have? So what we can say, this angle is this angle. यहाँ पे we can use theorem angle at the center is double to angle at any other point. Angle at the center is double to angle at any other point on the circumference of circle in same segment. Right? So this is how much? 100 degree. So this will be half of it. So angle BOC is double of angle BEC, or you can say angle BEC is equal to half angle 100 degree. It becomes 50 degree. So this angle is of 50 degree. This angle will be of 50 degree. And when this angle is of 50 degree, then what happens? हमें क्या निकालना है? एंगल BEC. कौन सा था? BEC. So we get it. First answer is angle BEC is equal to 50 degree. You get it? अब एंगल BCD आ गया. BCD. This angle we need. Okay, fine. Again, this is alternate interior angles, so this will be of मतलब they are alternate ना. Angle FCE is equal to angle DEC, right? Similarly, alternate interior angles. So similarly, angle DCE, angle DCE, DCE is equal to angle F, angle FEC is of 50 degree as alternate interior angles. So this is right. This is 50 degree. So this will be of 50 degree, right? So what we have to prove, angle B
BCD
CED कौन सा हुआ?
CED fine 20 degree.
Okay, so अच्छा ये हो गया. So angle CED is equal to 20 degree as here, right? This is we have done. So we have done this one, we have done this one, we have done this one, right? But last one is left, which what is that?
BCD.
BCD. Okay, so what happens, you just look at here, this is the radius and this is the radius, this is center, so this is radius. So we can write OC is equal to OB, right? So ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास एंगल OCB is equal to angle OBC, right? So हम लिख सकते हैं 2 एंगल OCB is equal to 180 minus 100 to 2, तो एंगल OCB is equal to 80 by 2 becomes 40 degree. So this is of angle OCB of 40 degree, right? Do you get it? This is of 40 degree. This angle is of 40 degree. Now angle, what we have to find? Angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to angle DCF plus angle E angle ECA plus angle BC plus angle BCA. तो फिर we write BC मतलब 50 plus 20 plus 40. How much? 110 10 degree. So this total angle BCD, this total angle BCD, angle BCD is equal to 110 degree. Done it? Huh? Is this correct?
Yes.
So what you have done then? You write it 1 and 110, but how you get that? In the same way? So you done this correctly, yeah? My God. It takes 15 minutes to solve.